All right, it is time once again for story time with Mr. Frey. And I hope you enjoyed the last book. And if you didn't get to see the last book, just look in a previous post and you can see that one as well. But today we're going to read another story that I really enjoy reading. It's called Bear Snores On. And you can help me while we're doing this story because there are times when we say, but Bear snores on, and then we do a big snore sound. So I want you to help me do the snore sounds, okay? Will you do that? Great. All right, so here we have Bear Snores On. This is the front cover, this is the spine, and this is the back cover. And we have the title page here, Bear Snores On. We have a nice little picture here of a snowy day, which is very different than how it is outside right now. And we have our full title page that says Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and illustrations by Jane Chapman. So here we go. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. Here we go. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creak crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Sounds delicious. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But Bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy 'em up, cozy down, and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But Bear snores on. A gopher and mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night." "What a storm," twitters wren. And everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. What's gonna happen? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And Bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Ooh, everybody looks really scared. You snuck in my lair. You've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping. I've had none. And he whimpers. And he moans. And he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Good snoring, guys. And that's the end, and we see the scene again. I hope you enjoyed Bear Snores On. I really enjoy reading it to you, and we'll have to look forward to another story time with Mr. Frey. See you later. Bye.